Yeah, we have come to a wild and dangerous place. Maybe you will find your love in the most unlikely places. The waterfall is named after the legendary dragon. When my friend told me about the 100 meters high waterfall deep in the canyon, located in Bat District, Lokai Province, Vietnam, I thought my friend was joking. Well, turns out that's not the case. The first day we practiced on the top of the mountain 300 meters south of the waterfall. Accompanying Vietnam expeditions gives us absolute trust. You will always be safe. This is a reputable face and we call him Tham, a multi-genre explorer. Our training session went well. Under the supervision and support of Vietnam expeditions experts, we completed every challenge. Learn more valuable knowledge. Tomorrow we will be the first people to swing deep into the waterfall. Day 2, we started moving along the mountain path. The distance to the main point is 5 kilometers. The road goes through terraced fields. The rice here is in the flowering stage. He is our leader. We call him Man. Man was very playful, so we decided to stop at the rice fields here. Well, I'd only just noticed this scarf now. It's quite outstanding. Follow the small path along the winding stream bank. We got very close to the waterfall. The density of water flowing down is extremely strong from a height of 100 meters. Maybe that's what worried him. His handshake made me more confident in myself. Thank you, brother. Then, everyone's faces were very worried right now. Well, Dragon Falls welcomed me with a wonderful rainbow. I'm more excited now than ever. But no, maybe I'm scared. By the roar of the waterfall, when I saw him, all my fears disappeared. His name is Can, a key person at the most important levels. Thank you, Vietnam Expeditions. Now I will immerse myself in the waterfall with the name legend. BachLong, Waterfall.